Hello and welcome to my channel Savi's Creation. This is Savita. When we enter any house, the first thing that we notice is the doorway or the entryway. It should be welcoming for anyone coming into the house. Even if it is a small space, you can make it more welcoming just by adding a table and decorating the space. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I have painted this antique 2-level side table to make your entryway look inviting and welcoming. Now let's go into the video. One of my customers has bought the small 2-level antique side table and asked me to paint it for her entryway. She wanted to place an idol on the top shelf and urli on the bottom in the entryway. She has asked me to paint it with bright, attractive colors and motifs. She has also asked me to cover the opening between the top and bottom shelves for a better look. So I have cut a piece of wood as per the measurement of the opening and made pocket holes so that I can attach it to the back to the table. In this way, all the screws are hidden and it gives a neat look. To make it more decorative, I have glued some trims at the edges. I have also glued some onlay designs made using paper clay and molds. I have already explained about this in my other videos and you can check the link in the description. To start with painting, I have cleaned the table thoroughly using an all-purpose cleaner to remove the dust and dirt. Since the customer has asked for it to be colorful, I have chosen all bright colors. For the bottom part, I have chosen to give cobalt blue from Behr and grotto from Folcut. For the middle portion, I am using Liquid Sunshine from Debbie's DIY. For the top shelf, I wanted to blend two colors, Carousel Red from Behr and Red from Rust-Oleum. Here I am using the paint colors from the brands that I already have. It is not essential that the individual paints have to be from same brands. As long as they are all chalk paints, you can mix brands. Before the orange color dries, I have applied the red on the edges and blends in with the orange. You can blend the colors just like how you paint on a canvas. Don't apply too much of pressure on the brush. Just move the brush very gently and allow the colors to blend smoothly. Now I am giving 2 coats of blue, green and yellow. Once I am done with second coat, I would like to smooth out the transition between the paints and further blend the colors at the edges. Similar to the manner in which I have blended the orange and red, I have used the same technique to blend the green and orange paint with the yellow color. Just spray some water and move the brush with a small amount of paint. I did this on all the sides and allowed it to dry. Once the paints have dried, I have done stencil work. I wanted to use multicolor even for the stencil work. For the bottom shelf, I have yellow, orange and red. Many of you have asked me to provide the links for the stencils that I am using. It is not necessary to use the same stencil that I am using. You might be able to find better designs and deals on Amazon, Michaels, Joann, or in any craft shop. Just search for mandala stencil designs. Always use a stencil brush and very little amount of paint to do the stencil. Sometimes you may need 2 coats of paints for doing stencil work. On this table, I have did 2 coats for doing this mandala design. For the top shelf, I have chosen the colors red and yellow for stencil work. The sides, I have decided to use the inlay design stencil using colors like red and green. I did this on all the 3 sides. Once the stencil work is done, I have outlined the motifs using acrylic gold marker pen. In all my painting projects, I don't end without a gold touch. It gives a very rich and a complete look for any furniture. So I have used gold for part of legs and all the edges of the table. It needed 3 coats of gold for a better look. Now all the painting work is done and it's time to protect the painting from damages. I'm using water-based polyurethane as a protective coat. Actually, I prefer to use wax finish for painting accent furniture. But since the customer has told that she wants to keep only on the table, there is a chance of causing water stain. To avoid that, I have decided to use water-based polyurethane. This protects the paint from water stains. Once the protective coat has dried, the table is completely done and ready to use. This table looks stunning. I believe the small table will make a huge difference in the entryway. I hope the bright color combination and the beautiful motifs will attract attention and bring compliments from guests. Hope you like this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it now and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.